Hi guys, nakabili tayo ng electric juicer kaya gagawa ako ng cucumber at saka apple juice. Try ko guys kung ano ang lasa. Ito guys, nagawa ko. Marami pala, 2 apple at saka isang cucumber. Ang sarap pala guys, try nyo. Thank you for watching guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you. Bye bye.